Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to buy Qubetics tokens. First of all, you need a cryptocurrency wallet such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet where your token will be sorted. When your wallet is set up, remember to back up recovery phrase for a security. Next, go to platform that support tech tokens, sales or exchange and create an account if you don't have one. Then select the amount of ticks you want to buy and choose your preferred payment method. You can pay using PTC, SOL, RTC, TRX, LTC, TRX, USD or other ERC20 tokens. After confirming your purchase, the token will be sent to your wallet. This can take a few minutes, so be patient. Make sure you have selected the right wallet address to avoid any issues. And when your payment is sent, keep track of the transaction status on the blockchain. After it's confirmed, the Qbetic coins will appear in your wallet. In some case, you may need to manually claim them depending on the platform you are using. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.